At Adage Automation, we bring the future of gas analysis to life. For over 2 decades, we have pioneered innovative solutions that empower industries to optimize processes, reduce emissions, and drive progress. Our story began in 2001 with a vision to deliver unrivaled engineering excellence and unmatched service. Today, that vision has fueled our rise as a leading global provider of gas analytical technologies, backed by state-of-the-art facilities and infrastructure across 16 cities in India and 4 countries worldwide. To offer advanced gas analytical solutions designed and built in Kingdom, we present Adage Kanu Industrial Company in Jubail, Saudi Arabia. To effectively cater to the market within UAE and Lower Gulf, we present Adage Kanu Analytical Industry in Abu Dhabi. We offer the industry's most diverse portfolio of products, solutions, and services. Our offerings span critical applications across oil and gas, chemicals, power, metals, cement, and more. Customers rely on us to monitor emissions, ambient air quality, process efficiency, and more. We also provide complete project life cycle processes, from design to commissioning. At the heart of our success is an unwavering commitment to customers and our people. Our expert team brings a depth of real-world experience to every challenge. With every customer we serve, every industry we impact, we move closer to our goal, to push the boundaries of what's possible with gas analysis. And through it all, we remain dedicated to operating safely, sustainably, and responsibly. Because at Adage Automation, we don't just imagine the future, we build it. Every day, we turn bold ideas into breakthrough solutions. Join us on our journey. Imagine, ideate, innovate.
Wonderful announcement today between Adage and Kanu. We have our joint venture. With Adage, we found the right partner who has the same vision, the same ideals. And we have the other partners also coming on board, which is making a great amalgam of what we can have for the future.
This is a red letter day for us because we are setting up and inaugurating our new company in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in partnership with a very reputed and respected Kanu.
Indeed, a great day for Kanu. Is another milestone in our strategy mapping, what we did 5 years back to transform focused trading activities to bring in more of added value solutions and local manufacturing capabilities into the kingdom.
This event, I believe, will be looked back one day, a starting point for building bridges stronger, partnerships better together.
Siemens and Adage collaboration is more than 2 decades old. We are being the partner of choice for Adage, and I'm so happy and honored to be part of their inauguration ceremony for their new integration facility in Saudi Arabia.
Hi, my name is Adage Chatterjee. I'm the Managing Director of Adage Automation. We are a company into the field of gas analytics from India, but with multiple presence in the US, in UAE, and also in Saudi Arabia. With more than 2 decades of experience of Adage into the cutting-edge technology for gas analytics using gas chromatographs, mass spectrometers, various kind of NDIR laser analyzers, combined with the synergy of between the presence of Kanu in this market of Middle East over several decades, we bring together the customer a very important aspects. So we bring great support, high-end technology solutions for the customers in the Middle East, in the oil and gas, and also in the renewable energy market. So we gave them the option of digitalization through the gas analytics, also through predictive maintenance kind of opportunities. So we bring together to the customer the best in technology plus solutions with the best possible support, local support, due to the presence of Kano over the many decades in the region. You know, in the heart of this enthusiasm to build a company locally over here in the UAE and also in Saudi is basically for sustainability, because we play very important part in emission monitoring through SAMs and ambient air quality monitoring. So, and then we also do predictive emission monitoring, so we can capture the data, do an analytics through data analytics and AI, and also let the customer know what kind of sustainability goals they have and what are the emission levels, so that exactly contributes in a large way for sustainability and carbon capture and reduction of the emissions. As per our plan, we are just next week, probably very soon, launching our new company in UAE called Adage Analytical Industry in Abu Dhabi, and simultaneously launching our company in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in the name of Adage Industrial Company. So with both the companies, both the factories, we are going to now have a big footprint, not only in the market of UAE and the Saudi Arabia, but we are also looking at the entire Gulf region, and that's our major focus for the year. Oh, Adipeg is a fantastic opportunity, as everybody has said in the past, and everybody knows it's a great opportunity to be in the largest energy display together, so the energy market. So our expectations were to meet people, assimilate new technologies in the field of renewable energy, digitalization, which is one of the focus for the company. And I'm very happy with what has been on display till now at Adipeg.